Hello guys, this is Pawan Kumar and you are watching RKB Studies. This video contains 30 most important sample questions which can be asked in different architecture entrance examinations such as NATA, JEE Mains Paper 2, AAT, GATE, etc. So without delaying any further, let's start the video. Which of these cities has the maximum number of historical monuments? Delhi, Punjab, Mumbai, Kolkata. So correct answer is Delhi. Which foreign influence is seen in the rock cut architecture of India? Indo-European, Persian, Arabic or Greek? So correct answer is Persian. Which monument was built in memory of a British monarch? Prince of Wales Memorial, King Richard Memorial, Victoria Memorial, King George Memorial. So correct answer is Victoria Memorial. Everyone knows the Taj Mahal. It was built by the Emperor Shah Jahan, but for whom? Farida Mahal, Toba Begum, Jahani Mahal or Mumtaz Mahal. So correct answer is Mumtaz Mahal. In which Indian city would you find the mosque with shaking minarets? Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Lucknow, Allahabad. So correct answer is Ahmedabad. Which city in India has built 15.8 meter high Gandhi Stupa dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi? रांची झारखंड, वडोदरा गुजरात, विजयवाड़ा आंध्र प्रदेश और इलाहाबाद उत्तर प्रदेश. So correct answer is Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. The architecture of city of Cochin in Kerala reflects the influence of the British, the Portuguese, the Dutch or all of the above. So correct answer is all of the above. Where is the world's largest panoramic sculptural relief located? Madurai, Kanchipuram, Pondicherry or Mahabalipuram? So correct answer is Mahabalipuram. Which heritage site depicts the fine Dravidian style of art and architecture? Akshardham, Khajuraho, Hampi or Undavali? So correct answer is Hampi. Ellora in Aurangabad, Maharashtra is famous for ancient caves representing Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. Of these, the largest number pertains to Buddhism, Hinduism, Jainism or Zoroastrianism. So correct answer is Hinduism. Which building is known as white marble Mughal architecture? Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Humayun's tomb or Jama Masjid? So correct answer is Taj Mahal. Which temple are well known for their Nagara style symbolism and erotic figures and sculptures? Akshardham, Khajuraho, Bhimbetka or Ajanta? So correct answer is Khajuraho. Which is the most holy pilgrimage spot for the Buddhist? Nasik, Bodh Gaya, Varanasi or Mathura? So correct answer is Bodh Gaya. Which World Heritage Site was built by King Narasimha Dev I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty? Meenakshi Temple, Jagannath Temple, Shore Temple or Konark Sun Temple? So correct answer is Konark Sun Temple. If you are learning something new, so like this video, share with your friends and subscribe this channel and do press the bell icon so that you never miss any important video related to architecture. So let's move on further. Name the heritage site consisting of finest masterpieces of 31 rock-cut Buddhist caves, monuments, paintings and sculptures. Khajuraho, Hampi, Ajanta or Ellora? So correct answer is Ajanta. What was built by Emperor Shah Jahan when he shifted his capital from Agra to New Delhi? Taj, Qutub Minar, Red Fort or Sanchi Stupa? So correct answer is Red Fort. Which of the following is the oldest stone structures in India? Makkah Masjid, Qutub Minar, Red Fort or Sanchi Stupa? So correct answer is Sanchi Stupa. The Brihadeshwar temple, the temple at Gangaikonda Cholapuram and Arayvateswara temple are the part of which heritage site? Chola temple, Sun temple, Khajuraho or Bodh Gaya? So correct answer is Chola temple. Which World Heritage Site in India was built by Begum Bega? Humayun's tomb, Gol Gumbaz, Bibi ka Maqbara or Qutub Minar? So correct answer is Humayun's tomb. Name an astronomical observatory built in 18th century Rajasthan. Vijay Stambh, Vyas Chhatri, Jantar Mantar or none of these? So correct answer is Jantar Mantar. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi to shift to Agra and live in the fort? Sikandar Lodi, Akbar, Humayun or Muhammad Ghori? So correct answer is Sikandar Lodi. The name of the city itself denotes the victory. Name the city. Delhi, Amritsar, Fatehpur or Chittor? So correct answer is Fatehpur. In this word Fateh means victory. Only this word. Fateh. Fateh means victory. Which heritage site well known for its stepped corridors, sculptures and stone carvings in the well? Buland Darwaja, Rani Ki Vav, Patta Dakal or Sun Temple? So correct answer is Rani Ki Vav. Where are the Elephanta caves situated in India? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra or Madhya Pradesh? So correct answer is Maharashtra. Which was the center of learning and Buddhist monastery from 3rd century BCE to the 13th century CE? Nalanda, Takshashila, Vallabhi or Vikramshila? So correct answer is Nalanda. Name the railways of India that comprise of Darjeeling Himalaya Railway, the Nilgiri Mountain Railway and Kalka Shimla Railway and are a part of World Heritage Site. Mountain Railways of India, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Delhi Railway Station or none? So correct answer is Mountain Railways of India. Which heritage site is famous for its Chalukya style of architecture? Nili Masjid, Shore Temple, Patta Dakal or Sun Temple? So correct answer is Patta Dakal. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Delhi? Akbar, Humayun, Qutbuddin Aibak or none of the above? So correct answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Which one of these regulates the setting time of cement? Alumina, iron, silica or gypsum? So correct answer is gypsum. Which among these is famous for its unique Rajput military defense architecture? Hill Fort, Jhansi Fort, Gwalior Fort or Junagarh Fort? So correct answer is Hill Fort. Which building is regarded as the first modern building built on Indian soil? High Court Chandigarh, Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, Golconda Pondicherry or Writers Building Kolkata? So correct answer is Golconda Pondicherry. Which of the following is a statutory professional body in architecture as passed by the Parliamentary Act? Indian Institute of Architects, Council of Architecture, Institute of Indian Interior Designers, Institution of Engineers? So correct answer is Council of Architecture. Now the question for you. The value of golden ratio is? Tell your answers in the comment section and let me see how many of you know the correct answer. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries related to architecture and architecture entrance examinations, you can approach me on Instagram and Facebook at ArchBStudies. Thank you so much.